Hello and welcome to the new Power BI tutorial video, and in this video I am showing you how you can create the cumulative line chart for multiple dimension values. So this is a cumulative line chart. As you can see, it is going upward and showing you the impact of the trend, but it is showing it for 4 different regions, and this is a very common business scenario where your user want to see the cumulative values trend, but let's say by country, by product, by region, or any dimension. So how we can do that, because it is not very straightforward, by simply putting the values into a legend, if you have seen or if you have tried it. So it's not very straightforward, and I want to show you how you can do it easily in Power BI. Okay, for that I will basically bring the blank workbook in front of you. So in this blank workbook I have only basically imported the data. So if you want to get this data, well, in that case what you need to do is you need to use the link which is there in description, right? In this description you will land in the datasets sheet. In this dataset workbook, in this the folder, in this folder I have the datasets sheet. Dataset sheets will give you the sample superstore dataset which has the orders data. Okay, along with this another link is present for all my Power BI video, 300 plus videos, where I have the video title over here, and using the video link you can jump directly. The benefit of this is you can easily search any of my previously created 300 plus videos rather than looking it up within the YouTube, which is very difficult, right? Also, if you need this workbook where I am keeping all of my scenarios, then for that also instruction is present in the description. Okay, so coming back to the scenario where I want to show you this line chart. So first thing first is what I will show you is we need to create the cumulative sum. So for that I will going to create the formula for the cumulative sum, which will give us the required output. So cumulative sales. So this is a sales data. Sales value is present over here, and cumulative sales by dimension is equals to this. Enter VAR, and we will say underscore max date to identify the maximum date. Why? Because for cumulative sales we need to create the recursive calculation by summing it up till the last date, and it should not go beyond that. Okay, so this will be based on the order date. We want to identify the last date, right? And then we want to return the calculate function. In calculate we want sum of sales, right? Now what we need is the all selected orders. Why? Because we need to make sure that we are keeping the filter context of all the values which is in the orders data set, so that your chart or visual can easily be filtered or configured. Now the next thing which I want to do is, which is a regular formula for cumulative sum, is order date is less than equals to the maximum date. What it gives is the cumulative sum, and I will show you, and then I will show you the error, and finally I will show you the output so that you know it completely. Okay, so over here I have this, and I will take the order date, right? And I will take the cumulative sum. The cumulative sum I will expand to a next level. This is showing us the quarterly sum because quarter is the next level. And if you want to view it, then I can show you the data labels, right? So that the data labels are present over here. And once my data labels are present over here, then what I can do is I can then basically bring the region information. So generally what we do is we bring the region information like this, region, and we try to put it on the legend, but it doesn't give us this impact, right? It just creates the same value for us. So what do we need to do in that case? In that case, what do we need is we need to go back to our formula, and over here, or in the end, depends on wherever we want. I just prefer it here because it gives me the the good ordering of output. So values, and we need by region, right? So we added the region and we entered it, right? So now if you see, this visualization has not done anything, right? And but what it will going to do is it will going to allow us the region over here and put it over here. So now the impact is coming, because we are saying that yes, we want this chart by region, right? So you can see now you have 4 different lines. It all started good. Everything was pretty much the same till this point, the Q4, but then the regional sales picked up, and finally what you have is, if I show you, the west is really picking up the sales, and east is catching up, where south is having the lowest sales, right? And since this point central has picked up. So this chart gives you an immense information about how your regions are performing when they were together and when somebody picked up. Like over here, this goes down, but this continuously picked up. So it's a matter of concern, like what's going on, what happened, and you know, why the sales are lagging. So this is how you can basically create the good, useful, impactful chart for your end user that will going to help them understand the trend of region or any dimension that you want for your end user. So with that, thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.